Hello, today I'm going to show you how to add a co-teacher. Please keep in mind that as of now, we currently only have the free version of Seesaw, which only allows 2 teachers per class. So please do keep that in mind. So go ahead and log into your Seesaw, and you want to go to your class settings. You can click on this wrench right here, and it'll take you to your class settings. To add, you go to Manage Teachers. And this is where you can put in the teacher's email address and send and press invite to send them. Or you have the click here to generate a link. So if you wanted to, you can copy and paste this link and email them. Please do keep in mind that it does expire within a week. So once you send the invite to your teachers or whoever you want to add as a co-teacher, please let them know that they do need to accept within a week. Then you'll always come back here if you need to remove any of the co-teachers. So a quick and easy way to add co-teachers under Manage Teachers for Seesaw. Thank you.